In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit invoice in Zoho Books. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to change, so your records stay accurate and compliant. Start by signing in to Zoho Books and heading to the main navigation. From the left sidebar, open the Sales section. This is your central hub for everything revenue related and the quickest way to access all customer billing records. Inside Sales, choose Invoices. You'll see a list of invoices with key details like customer, amount, and status. Find the invoice you want to update. You can scroll through the list, use the search bar, or apply filters to narrow by status, date, or customer. If you don't see an edit option later on, it usually means your role doesn't allow editing or the invoice is in a state that restricts changes, such as being finalized or otherwise locked by your organization's settings. In that case, check with your admin before proceeding. Open the invoice you want to modify, then select Edit. This switches the invoice into an editable view while keeping the existing line items and totals in place, so you can focus on just the fields you need. Update the customer name if it's assigned to the wrong contact. Begin typing to search your customer list and select the correct one. Keep in mind, changing the customer can update related fields like billing and shipping addresses, currency, price list, and tax treatment. If a confirmation prompt appears, review it carefully to ensure the change matches your intent and company policy. Next, adjust the invoice date. Use the date picker to select the correct date. This field is important because it affects the due date, the accounting period in which revenue is recognized, and any tax period calculations. Choose the date that reflects when the invoice should legally and operationally apply. If needed, correct the order number so it matches the customer's purchase order or your internal sales order. This helps your team and your customer reconcile documents quickly. Be consistent with your organization's formatting conventions and remember that the order number is different from the invoice number. When your edits are complete, click Save. Zoho Books will validate the changes and recalculate any dependent fields. Take a moment to review the header details, totals, and taxes to confirm everything looks right after saving. If you encounter an error, read the message closely. It usually points to a required field or a restricted change based on your company's rules. That's it. You've navigated to sales, opened invoices, selected your record, made the necessary edits to the customer, date, and order number, and saved your changes with confidence.